Now, this is a question that I get a lot. Why would I even take out a loan? Okay. So it could be for living expenses. If you're in the income generation phase, you've reached financial independence, retire early. You could also use it to buy more assets, whether you're in income generation or the cash flow generation phase. I'm sorry, I actually mistyped that. It's actually the not cash flow generation. It's the capital appreciation. Sorry, I'll have to go back and correct that. Or if you just want to buy something that you want or something that you need, it could be, home improvement, education expenses, anything that you would normally take out a loan for, you can use these Bitcoin-backed loans for. So let's talk a little bit more about how to make sure that you don't get liquidated. So the principle with this is know your numbers. If the lender has alerts, you want to set up those alerts so that you can monitor your loan and make sure that you're maintaining that loan to value. And let's say, a situation where Bitcoin, plummets to a low number. Again, monitor your loan. You can add more Bitcoin. You can add more collateral to the loan, or you can pay down more of the loan to stay inside of that safety zone. Again, and I'm showing this example of that 15% loan to value. The lower the loan to value, the less your liquidation risk. So that keeps you inside of that. And speaking to the buy, borrow, die strategy, this is one of the subjects that I cover in my 3-sentence, 3 times a week micro newsletter aimed at millennials and Gen X trying to incorporate Bitcoin into their personal finances so they can reach financial independence in 10 years or less. It's just short, pithy, actionable sentences, no fluff. Link is in the video description below for that. Now for what we've all been waiting for. This is just the latest research that I've done on these specific lenders. Okay, so I'm in no way endorsing any of them. I'm not endorsed or affiliated by any of them at this point. That may change in the future. So please do your own research. This is just an amalgamation of some research that I've done using AI and other types of searches. So the top providers, I'm not going to go through each one of these. You can do a screenshot. And again, just use this to start doing your own research. We've got Figure, Ledn, Nexo, Strike, Arch, Coinbase Borrow. Personally, I will say I would never work with Coinbase. Having been in self-custody for so long, there are just too many nightmare stories that I've had with them. I know that that's not a popular opinion in the greater Bitcoin community right now, but Unchained Capital, I've actually looked at them. I think they're great. Milo, Aave, and Compound. Again, you can do screenshots of these and just use this as a springboard for your own research based on what your criteria are for the loan and all of those, components that we talked about earlier. But I'm curious, have you guys used any loans? I would love to sort of crowdsource this process because this is really just going to be the first video in many videos that I'm going to do as I continue to understand this space and understand lenders. So let's crowdsource our experience and help each other as a community find the best lenders, avoid the worst ones, and just kind of keep our Bitcoin, right? This also seems to be a pretty good comparison tool. Again, I have not vetted btcloans.com, but I found them in some of my research the other day. So if you guys have an opinion about them in the comments, please let me know. But it seemed to be a really great place to kind of see all of or most of the lenders that I'm aware of in sort of one place, what their terms are, what their rehypothecation policies are, all that stuff. So that's probably a good place to start as well. Now, we all want to own more Bitcoin, but most of us aren't sitting on piles of idle cash. That's where Horizon comes in. Horizon lets homeowners convert a portion of their home equity into Bitcoin so they can diversify into an asset with stronger long-term growth potential. What makes Horizon stand out is its flexibility. There are no monthly payments, no interest charges, and no fixed term limit. You stay in your home, you stay in control. And the Bitcoin you buy is fully yours to hold in custody however you choose. This means no margin calls, no forced selling, and no scenario where Bitcoin volatility puts your home at risk. If you believe that Bitcoin will outperform your home's growth over the long term, Horizon gives you a way to act on it using capital you already have. Horizon has already helped hundreds of homeowners put their equity to work in Bitcoin, and they'd love to help you as well. Visit joinhorizon.com using this QR code or the link in the video description. You can see how it works and estimate how much Bitcoin you can unlock in just 90 seconds. Transform your home equity into Bitcoin today with Horizon.